Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your AdSense account is active, payments are set, and the exact domain is added. Once done, verify ownership in Search Console so policy finds can be diagnosed. This matters because discrepancies block ad serving. Next, inspect robots. TXT and Noindex directives to ensure crawlers can reach ad pages and run a mobile-friendly test. Ads fail on blocked or non-responsive pages. Act now on any mismatch before moving deeper. Now you audit the implementation. Inspect the actual AdSense script and placement. Use the async snippet and avoid duplicated slots on the same page, because invalid code causes no ads or policy flags. Then review content for policy violations like copyrighted or adult material and remove or restrict offending pages. This is why enforcement happens. Also test performance metrics like CLS and LCP, since slow or intrusive layouts hide ads. To finish, resubmit the fixed pages in Search Console and wait for recrawl. This restarts review and can clear serving limits. Make sure to check AdSense account messages and watch impressions, RPM, and coverage for 48 to 72 hours so you can confirm recovery. If ads still don't appear, create a minimal test page with only compliant content and the correct script to isolate the problem, and then contact support with clear repro steps. This single test often reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.